2015 Chevy Camaro convertible, 6.2 liter SS, really beautiful red color, nice car. Got factory converters. It's a California car, so it's got 4 converters on it, 2 on each side, there and there. Then he left the resonator on it. He didn't want it to drone too much because it's a convertible. He said if it's still too quiet after this, he'll bring it back and we'll take the resonator off. These come with a massive resonator, as you guys can see right there. Then it's got 2 baffles, there and there, that open up when you give it enough gas, when you open up the throttle. And then what we put on it is 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, one there, one there. Part number, the 16-inch ones, part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then also, we put 5-inch black tips on it for you guys. Right there and right there. We'll have a link in the description for them. They're double-walled stainless steel. Really beautiful, really clean. They fit that gap nicely. It's a lot nicer than the small 4-inch they put before. Or actually like 3.5. There's the rears that we took off. There it is after. Looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. There it is, Flowmaster Outlaws. All right, guys, we got us a 2014 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. He brought it in a few months back, and we did a magniflows in the back. So he brought it back. We left the resonator, and he wanted that taken off. So we just took it off for him. We'll let you guys see what it looks like. It's got a total of 4 cats, 2 there, 2 there. Then there's where usually the resonator goes. It's a long resonator actually, right there, as you guys can see. So we took it off. Then we left the valves in. He didn't want it too loud because it's a convertible. And then there's actually Flowmaster Outlaws, not Magnaflow. Sorry, there. We did a while back. And there, still holding up good. 5-inch tips, there and there. There's a huge resonator that comes on these that you want to take off if you want to hear it. As you guys can see, there's the Flowmaster Outlaws. There'll be a link in the description for them. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. The resonator on it too. Yeah, nice. That sounds so good. See, if you want the tone without a lot of raspiness, you keep the resonator on. Your sound decibels. Again. There it is. What do you guys think? Nice deep tone. I like it. It's deep. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Much better. That's a lot better. Much better. Again. Back it out.
duel with Flowmaster Outlaws.
Enjoy, guys. That's so phenomenal.